Hi ladies, I'm going to take just a minute to walk you through how to disable your flash restrictions as well as how to use the microscope for the virtual microscope activity. I'm hoping to kind of head off any confusion that happened with the other section that did this activity. In this email you'll receive the link at the top, and I want you to click on the link and this page should open. You'll notice it has a puzzle piece in the middle, and then there's also a puzzle piece in the upper right. When you initially reach this page, you will see it says plugin blocked. That's because it's blocking the Flash plugin. To be able to get that to turn off, what you need to do is select the puzzle piece, go to Manage. After you have gone to Manage, you need to switch this toggle where it says Block Sites from Running Flash. You're going to switch that so that it is blue and it will say Ask First. After this, you should be able to close out of your Settings tab, refresh your page, and you see how it says Not Secure on the upper left where the triangle is. There, it's set to Ask, and you want to Allow.
Welcome. Click here for a tour.
This is the microscope lab that you are doing. Let me turn off my volume because it does talk to you. What is most important for y'all is to walk through everything with the checklist open. It will tell you how to turn the light on. It will tell you how to set the rheostat. It'll tell you how to move the slide on. Okay? The first step is to just kind of play with the microscope and do the tour that it's recommending. While you're doing that, and looking at the microscope lab activity, you need to also make sure that you have the slide set correctly when you switch views so that you can draw out what you see in the microscope. This will walk you through that, but I will also take a second to walk you through, okay? We're going to go through the checklist, right? We're going to turn the light on. I'm going to go through this really fast because I just am, and you can walk through this at your own time. So I've changed the rheostat, and you can see the checks come on, right? So the specimen has to be centered. I'm going to toggle with these, and you can see the slide is moving, right? Sorry, this will take a minute, and the click is really annoying. So see how I just tried to come this way? It's not going to let me because the microscope is set all the way forward. So it literally is just trying to get everything kind of lined up the way that you want it to. Alright, so you just continue to play with the names of these things. I'm not going to tell you because it's part of your lab. But you can see the specimen has been centered. We've got to adjust the oculars. And it tells you if you're doing something wrong. You have to adjust the oculars in the next stage. Fix your coarse focus, which is this larger one. And you can see if you go the wrong way, it doesn't change to a check mark it. Okay? But when you get it correct, I just had the check a second ago. Oh, there you go. No! Now I have the check mark on the left, right? So then I'm gonna, the fine focus in the center image, you have to switch your views. Adjust your oculars. Okay? Adjust your fine focus. And if you look, it kind of looks like I'm going the wrong way, right? So I'm going to go the other way. You can see it's getting clearer. Now I have that green check. We don't have it centered yet. So we're going to kind of move it this way. Now we have it centered. This is how you should be walking through this lab, okay? So start your tour. Go through your tour first because that will tell you the names of everything, what each item on the microscope does, because this is going to be on your test. But a lot of people seem to have problems with how to end up setting it up correctly so that you can draw the picture. Use the checklist, right? The checklist is your friend, and it will help you figure out which way you need to go. Just be a little bit, pay a little attention to detail when you're doing it. Also note, if the rheostat, let's switch the views back, the rheostat is set at 10. Right here. So the rheostat multiplies the magnification of the eyepiece. Or not the eyepiece, the lens. So if we've got a 10 here and a 4 here, if you're looking through the 4 times magnification, you're really looking at 40 times the magnification of the naked eye. If you're looking through the 100 times magnification, you're really looking through 1,000 times the magnification because the 10 times 100 is 1,000. Okay, you're going to have to walk through this lab and activity on your own. If you guys have any questions, I plan on keeping my class Zoom open throughout class, so you can pop in and ask a question while your classmates are doing the lab. But make sure you get this done during the lab time, because I'm not going to help you after that, right? You have this time to do it, and that is when it is meant to be done, unless we got something else going on, in which case you need to email me. This lab should be done before tomorrow, okay? If you have any questions, again, email me or pop into the Zoom.